Take a ride in the 2015 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.